In the grand scheme of digital marketing, off-page SEO is a game changer. Picture it as the behind-the-scenes work, the unseen hero, shaping your online reputation and boosting your ranking. First up, backlinking. This is your bread and butter, the backbone of off-page SEO. Quality trumps quantity here. The more reputable sites linking to yours, the higher your credibility. Next, social media engagement, a powerful tool to increase your online visibility. Remember, every like, share, or comment is an opportunity. Then we have guest blogging. This not only builds relationships with other businesses, but also expands your audience and increases traffic. Lastly, let's not forget about influencer outreach. Collaborating with influencers in your industry can drive traffic, increase your online presence, and boost your site's ranking. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a rookie, these off-page SEO strategies are crucial. They're the unsung heroes working tirelessly behind the scenes to increase your online visibility and reputation. So give them the attention they deserve. Your website's success depends on it.